Now let's do uh, question one. Just factorizing question one. Okay. Uh, okay. I just copied down the equation here. The equation is y equals to x cubed plus 2 times x squared minus 6x. Okay. In question one, we can say every term in the function has x uh, in it. So x is a common it's a common factor in three terms of the three terms in the in the equation y. So what we can do is to put y in the bracket. Sorry, put x in a bracket first. Okay, so y plus 2x minus 6. This is done by well, this is really year 10 stuff. Okay, just divide every term, well, x times bracket, and inside the bracket you have to divide every term by x, and you have x squared plus 2x minus 6. Okay, instead of that. Now what we have is x times bracket on parabola equation, or quadratic equation, and now we have to now what we can do is uh, we have to solve the quadratic equation in factorize the quadratic equation in the form of x minus sorry, x plus a number there, and bracket x plus a number there. Okay. We do that, well, let's do it by using the quadratic equations. If x squared plus 2x minus 6 equals to 0, then in the quadratic equation x will be assumed. This is only assumed. Okay, x will be minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a, and it will be x equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 6 divided by 2, and we would have x equals to okay, minus 1 plus or minus square root of 28. Okay, here, and if we solve this again, plus or minus 4 times 7 is 28, so we square root 4, and okay, I just do it step by step, it's easier. Square root 4 times square root of 7 divided by 2, which gives us minus 1 plus and minus 2 square root of 7. So sorry, okay, just minus 1 plus minus square root of 7. Okay, because square root of 4 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, our x value is minus 1 plus square root of 7, or minus 1 minus square root of 7. Okay, Okay, now what we can do is, so we find the x-intercept of the quadratic equation in the bracket, and we can now factorize it as x plus a number times x plus minus 1 times your x-intercept of the quadratic equation here, which is 1 minus square root of 7, and x plus 1 plus square root of 7. Okay, so this is our final answer there. Okay, we have to sorry we have to factorize this polynomial equation into this form, simply because if we need if we need to draw a graph of it, okay, we can find the x-intercept in this form. Okay, now let's do question B. Okay, question B, the equation is y equals to minus x cubed plus x squared plus x minus 1. We have to find the find the factor by try and error. Okay, use try and error here. Try and error. So let's assume the factor is x plus 1. Okay, then okay, the remainder when the function divided by x plus 1 will be x, make it equal to 0, so x equals to minus 1, and the remainder is we have to substitute this number back in this equation there, so our remainder will be minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus 1, and it will be 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1, which is 0. So x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, it's a factor. Then we can do a long division to find out the other factors. Well, okay, I think in this equation, x minus 1 and x plus 1 are well, both x minus 1 and x plus 1 are factors. I don't know, well, you can try if you assume x minus 1 is a factor first. I think it also works. Okay, okay, let's keep doing these questions. So let's do it here. X minus x cubed divided by x will be minus x squared, so minus x squared, and minus x squared times the factor will be minus x cubed minus x squared. We have the top equation minus the bottom equation will be top function minus the bottom function will be 2x cubed. Okay, 2 minus makes a 2 minus signs makes a positive sign. Okay, plus here. Now we do 2x squared divided by x, which is 2x. Okay, so it's positive 2x here will be 2x squared plus 2x. Make it a minus, so I will have a minus x there, x minus 2x, and a minus 1. Okay, now minus x divided by x equals to minus 1, so I will have minus 1 there, and the minus 1 times the factor is minus x minus 1, which is the remainder is 0. Okay, now our equation is equals to x plus 1 and minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay, we try to rearrange it just to make it simple. Sorry. Okay. It equals to minus x plus 1. Okay. We take the minus sign from the second bracket out to the front. So in the second bracket, the signs of all the terms changes. Square minus 2x plus 1. And in the second square, the quadratic equation is a perfect square, which I can just factorize it now as x plus 1, sorry, x minus 1 squared. Okay, so after factorization, y will be equals to minus x plus 1 bracket and bracket x minus 1 square. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, let's do the next question. I just mark it here. Now let's look at question 3. Our equation is y equals to x cubed minus x squared minus 6x plus 8. Okay. Oh, sorry. By the way, sorry. By the way, the shape. If I plot, look at question 1 again. If I plot this graph in our calculator, if I plot this equation in the calculator, I will have this kind of shape. The graph will look like this because the coefficient of x cubed is a positive number 1. There. In this case, we have a minus sign in the front, so the shape of the graph should be looks like this. Okay, you can try it in your calculator. I think this is the shape you get.